In the vastness of the universe, there are mysteries that defy our rational understanding, inviting us to explore areas beyond the limits of the known. One of these mysteries is magic, a force that transcends the laws of physics and the mind, and which for centuries has intrigued and fascinated those who seek to understand the hidden secrets of the universe. Magic, much more than mere illusions or tricks, is an expression of the connection between the human mind and the subtle energies that permeate the universe. It is the purest expression between the visible and the invisible. It is something that invites us to look beyond superficial appearances and explore the deeper realms of consciousness where the true essence of reality resides. And it is here that the concept of the quantum realm arises, a subatomic dimension where the laws of conventional physics dissolve into a sea of infinite possibilities. It is in this realm, permeated by energy and consciousness, that magic finds its place, offering us the opportunity to shape and transform reality according to our deepest desires. So, today, we will not only unlock the secrets of magic, but also learn how to use this knowledge so that you can expand your consciousness, manifest your dreams, and achieve a state of fulfillment and realization. Throughout the ages, humanity has been captivated by the promise of magic, seeking to unravel its enigmas and uncover its deepest secrets. However, the true essence of magic is not in spells or potions, but in the intimate connection between the mind, the spirit, and the universe. To understand the mysteries of magic, it is essential to understand the fundamental concepts of the quantum realm. Unlike the tangible world we perceive with our physical senses, the quantum realm is a sea of pure potentiality, where particles exist in a state of superposition, simultaneously present in multiple places and states. The nature of the quantum realm challenges our rational understanding of the world, inviting us to expand the limits of our perception and explore the depths of the human consciousness. And it is at the intersection between mind and matter that we find the key to unraveling the secrets of quantum magic. The human mind, with its unique ability to think, feel, and create, plays a fundamental role in the interconnection between consciousness and quantum reality. Every thought, every emotion, is like a wave that resonates through the universe, shaping the reality around us in subtle and powerful ways. It is through this interaction between mind and the quantum realm that practitioners of quantum magic are able to influence reality in seemingly impossible ways. When you tune your mind to the vibrational frequencies of the universe, you become a channel for the manifestation of your deepest desires, transforming dreams into reality and potential into power. In quantum reality, consciousness is not just a passive witness to events. It is an active participant in the creation of reality. Think about it. Each observer brings with them a unique perspective, a lens through which reality is filtered and interpreted. This perspective shapes not only what we see, but also what is possible. As the famous physicist John Wheeler said, "No phenomenon is a reality until it is an observed phenomenon." This idea directly challenges the traditional view of an objective, observer-independent universe. Instead, it suggests that reality is fluid and malleable, shaped by the consciousness of those who experience it. This is the essence of quantum magic, the recognition that we are active co-creators of our reality, active participants in a grand cosmic game of creation and manifestation. But how exactly does our consciousness influence quantum reality? The answer to this question lies in the depths of the quantum field, a domain of infinite potential where all possibilities reside in a latent state. At this fundamental level of reality, consciousness acts as an observer that collapses the quantum wave function, transforming possibility into reality. This is the basis of the influence of thoughts and emotions on the creation of reality. Every thought, every emotion, emits a unique vibration that resonates with the frequencies of the quantum field, attracting to us experiences that correspond to our inner energy. When we think positively, for example, we emit a frequency of love and gratitude that attracts more love and gratitude into our lives. On the other hand, when we think negatively, we emit a frequency of fear and scarcity that attracts more fear and scarcity. That's why consciousness is a powerful force, so powerful that it shapes our reality. When we recognize the power of our thoughts and emotions, we are empowered to take control of our lives and create the reality we desire to manifest. This is the true secret of quantum magic, the recognition that we are the co-creators of our own reality. Creative visualization is an ancient practice that allows us to access the powers of the subconscious mind to manifest our deepest desires in the quantum realm. By using our imagination in a deliberate and focused way, we are able to create a vivid and detailed image of the reality we wish to experience, activating the manifestation mechanisms of the universe. The essence of creative visualization is the understanding that we are the co-creators of our own reality, capable of projecting and building the reality of our dreams with nothing more than the power of our own minds. To master the art of creative visualization, it is essential to learn the art of concentration and focus. We must be able to direct our mind in a disciplined and consistent way, keeping our attention firmly fixed on the image we wish to manifest. This takes practice and patience, but the results can be truly transformative. One of the most powerful aspects of creative visualization is its ability to connect us with the emotions and feelings associated with the achievement of our goals. When we visualize our desires as if they were already a reality, we activate the same neural circuits and thought patterns that we would experience if those desires had already been fulfilled. This creates a powerful resonance between our mind and the quantum field, thus accelerating the manifestation process. To develop visualization and manifestation skills, it is helpful to practice specific exercises designed to stimulate imagination and strengthen the connection between mind and reality. One such exercise can be creating a personal vision board, a collection of images and words representing your deepest desires and aspirations. When you regularly visualize this vision board, you are programming your subconscious mind to seek and create the circumstances necessary for the realization of your goals. Another effective technique is the practice of guided meditation, in which you are brought to a state of deep relaxation and then guided through a series of visualizations designed to activate your inner powers of healing and transformation. These visualizations can range from simple imaginative journeys to complex interactive scenarios, depending on individual needs and preferences. Regardless of the method chosen, the secret to success in creative visualization is inconsistency and faith. We must continue to visualize our desires with conviction and determination, even when the obstacles seem insurmountable and the results seem distant. For it is precisely when we face the greatest adversity that our faith and confidence are most deeply tested. And it is precisely then that we must hold on even more firmly to the vision of our dreams, knowing that in the quantum realm, all things are possible. Meditation is an ancient practice that offers us a profound inner journey, allowing us to explore the innermost aspects of our mind and spirit. Meditation plays a crucial role in influencing the quantum realm, serving as a bridge between the inner and outer worlds, between individual consciousness and the vast field of possibilities that permeates the universe. In the stillness of meditation, we are invited to let go of the distractions of the outside world and turn our attention inward to the silence and serenity that reside at the core of our being. It is in this space of calm and contemplation that we discover an endless source of power and creativity, a source that allows us to shape and transform reality according to our deepest desires. Another powerful technique is mindfulness, in which we focus fully on the present moment, without judgment or distraction. When we cultivate a full awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, we are able to recognize and release patterns of thought and behavior that may be preventing us from manifesting our deepest desire. Mindfulness practice helps us develop greater clarity and discernment, allowing us to make more conscious decisions aligned with our goals. To further enhance the influence of meditation on the quantum realm, we can explore techniques of inner alchemy, a process of deep personal transformation that involves the purification and transmutation of our darkest and most challenging aspects. When we consciously work with our fears, traumas, and self-imposed limitations, we release a powerful energy that can be directed toward creating a new reality, a reality based on truth, authenticity, and the fullness of our being. Sigils and symbols have been used throughout history as powerful techniques to influence reality and manifest desires. These magical elements operate in the quantum realm through the universal language of form and intention, allowing those who use them to connect with the subtle forces that permeate the universe. Sigils are graphic forms that represent specific concepts, intentions, or desires. They are created from a phrase or statement that expresses what you wish to manifest. Then these words are simplified and combined to form a unique and personal design, which becomes the sigil itself. Symbols, on the other hand, are images or visual representations that have deep and universal meanings, crossing cultures and traditions for thousands of years. To create an effective sigil, it is essential to start with a clear and specific intention. Identify what you want to manifest and formulate a simple phrase that expresses this desire in a positive and affirmative way. Then remove all the repeated letters and vowels from that phrase, leaving only the consonants with these remaining letters. Create a unique symbolic design that visually represents your intention. Once the sigil has been created, it's time to charge it with energy and emotion. This can be done through visualization practices, meditation, or symbolic rituals. By focusing intensely on the sigil and the intention behind it, you infuse it with your own personal energy, making it a powerful vehicle for the manifestation of your deepest desires. It's important to remember that sigils and symbols are just tools, and their power is in the intention and emotion you invest in them. The more you believe in the power of the sigil and the fulfillment of your desires, the more effective it will become as a vehicle for influencing the quantum realm and shaping reality according to your will. Of course, if you are interested in learning more about symbols and sigils, I ask that you study and research them carefully. They are great tools, but they need to be studied very carefully because there are many symbols that can represent more than one meaning. So study them carefully. All knowledge we seek needs to be studied carefully, especially when it comes to spirituality. Search for reliable sources that resonate with what you are most looking for. The apparent separation between magic and science has long been a point of interest and debate among scholars and practitioners, but advances in the understanding of quantum physics have begun to reveal fascinating connections between these two apparently distinct domains. Quantum physics has revolutionized our understanding of the universe, challenging fundamental concepts of spacetime and causality. At the heart of quantum physics is the idea that reality is influenced by the observation and consciousness of the observer, an idea that resonates deeply with the mystical and esoteric traditions of magic. Just as practitioners of magic believe in the ability of the human mind to influence reality, quantum physicists have discovered that subatomic particles respond differently when observed, suggesting that consciousness plays a fundamental role in the creation and manifestation of reality. The concepts of non-locality and quantum entanglement provide a theoretical basis for the idea that everything in the universe is interconnected on a fundamental level. This cosmic interconnection reflects the belief in magic that all things are connected and that it is possible to influence one part of the universe by affecting another. Although magic is often associated with esoteric and spiritual practices, recent scientific studies have shown that some quantum influence techniques have a solid basis in scientific principles. For example, studies into the effectiveness of meditation have shown that it can alter the structure and function of the brain, increase emotional resilience, and even influence external events through coherent field effects. Similarly, creative visualization has been associated with improvements in health, athletic performance, and professional success. There is also evidence suggesting that intense and vivid visualization can create patterns of brain activity that are virtually indistinguishable from those produced by real sensory experiences. These findings challenge traditional conceptions of magic as purely superstitious practice, suggesting that many magical techniques have a solid scientific basis that can be investigated and understood through the lens of quantum physics and neuroscience. While we venture into the realms of magic and explore the mysteries of the quantum universe, it's essential to remember that all knowledge comes with responsibility. Magic, with its ability to influence reality, carries with it great potential for both good and evil. So, as I said, all knowledge we seek needs to be studied carefully and attentively so. It's essential that we commit to using these powers ethically and responsibly, guided by principles of compassion, respect, and integrity. This means that we must always consider the possible ramifications of our magical actions and make sure that our goals are aligned with the greater good. The pursuit of self-improvement and spiritual growth should not be at the expense of others, and we should always strive to act with empathy, consideration for the feelings and needs of others. It is important to recognize the limits of our own understanding and power, avoiding the temptation to manipulate or control others to serve our own interests, as this is a selfish action. True magic is in the ability to create and manifest positively, not in the domination or subjugation of others. To make sure that our magical practice is truly beneficial and constructive, we must clarify our intentions, consider the impact of our actions, practice detachment, and cultivate humility. When we follow these 4 principles and remain aware of our responsibility, we can ensure that our journey is a search for light and love, enriching not only our own lives but also the lives of those around us. Because the real magic is in serving the greater good and creating a more harmonious and compassionate world for all beings. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me. If this video resonated with you, I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with others so they can benefit from this message. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, reflections, and experiences. Thanks again for watching and for joining me. Take care and see you soon.